Price predictions for next week, one big catalyst potentially happening next week, and a bit more. Hey up everyone, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor and Vaz. Do you know what time it is? Well, it's definitely not much time for me. I've been recording this video amongst doing dozen of other stuff. This Saturday I can't go live, but I thought I would give you at least this little market prediction. Also, this video, if you have any questions, next week I'm planning on being live every single day. If you have any questions, and there's also lots of earnings. If you have any questions, fire them away in the comments. I've got a few people asking me or moaning at me that the comments are blocked and you don't need to do this and it's putting me off. Well, the comments are not blocked. The comments are held for approval. I didn't believe this to Martyn when he said it to me in the first place, but now I have access to it and I'm releasing comments under my videos. I'm also answering and responding to every single comment. Maybe not right away, maybe after half a day, sometimes takes a bit longer, but I always respond to every single comment. The reason why these comments are held is because under every video we have at least 24 of spam, crypto, scam comments. I didn't believe this, but there's at least, I swear, at least 20 comments promoting this scam crypto, promoting this. We don't want this on our channel. We don't want this for you. So we are blocking, reporting all these comments, but we need to go through it. Also, we have few trolls. We have our favorite people coming to us all the time. So if you are respectful, I'm open to criticism. I actually took on board a lot of your comments from last week. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I love your feedback. No hard feelings, no emotions. But if you comment, if you have any questions, if you want me to focus on anything next week, if you have any questions, I will answer them through the week. Fire them away in the comments below and I'll be approving, releasing and answering them as well. So what's happening? Price targets. Well, next week, what's going on next week? I hate TradingView. I just realized because I have to refresh it every single time, like 5 minutes, and I have to refresh it. So we've got vertical aerospace. I told you we would be around the level of resistance. Sorry, level of support 460. We actually broke down to 554, 53. I wouldn't be surprised because we had this massive downtrend. It's marked up here perfectly. Pop, 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 pop. 4-5 times we touched, and now we broke it. We are forming a little uptrend, but again, this uptrend has broken again. So I wouldn't be surprised if we keep bouncing in these levels between 460, 450, and $5. I wouldn't be buying vertical now because we have one massive milestone in the pipeline. And observing the ground activity, increasing ground activity, observing the situation, the coming earnings call on the 4th of November as well. I think vertical want to fly before the earnings call as well. And my personal bet would be we will see a flight next Friday. Looking at the forecast as well, weather forecast, I think we will see a flight next Friday. So I wouldn't be buying it because we can have Donald Trump tweeting something or washing off China tariffs or government shutdown update, whatever, and it can break down even lower. We can have another freak out to, I don't know, 430, 420. So I would be holding now and waiting through the week. I'll be giving you regular updates. So that's vertical aerospace. What we've got next, Joby. See, this is what I have to do. I literally just refreshed it 2 minutes ago before the video. So Joby, we have resistance around. No, we have this little uptrend. Is it a resistance? Is it a trend line? Probably both. Around $15. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 times, almost 4 times. We tested it again. Now we seem to have this massive downtrend. If you look at this, that's from October the 7th when we reached the high of over $20. We seem to be going down with this downtrend. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 times we touched it. Again, I would wait with Joby. It can go sideways for a bit. We have the earnings call on the 6th of November. So that could be massive catalyst for the stock, but I would be waiting currently. We had this previous trend. If I zoom out, if I give you the yearly chart, I won't. Where did I mark it up? No, that must be on the 3 months. If we look at the 3 months chart as well, we had this uptrend before. We had a bottom from September, end of September, 1270, going up 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then we broke it mid October, a couple of weeks ago, and now we seem to be forming this falling wedge, which is usually good pattern, but I would be waiting again next week. I would be probably waiting. It can go sideways. ACHR Aviation, very interesting one. ACHR Aviation, very interesting one. We have this long term, well, not long term, mid term or short term trend from September. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we touched it. We are on the way up. Well, we also have, I just moved it. We also have this long term, very long term resistance of $14, $20, $30. We touched it a few times. We touched $14.50. I've got it. I used the wrong scale, so let me just push it up a bit. Right, there we go. That's better. We touched $14.50, 1, 2, 3, and then we had this little push 3 times, almost 4 times. We are still copying this uptrend. The volume has increased. If you look at the recent weeks, the volume is massively up as well. So again, I would probably wait next week, couple of days. I can see ACHR going sideways. We had some good news. We had 2 good pieces of news, and the reaction was very mild. The reaction was very mild last week. It went only a few percent up, and it sold off right away. You can see it here. I think there was here one bit of news and the other bit of news last week. Again, it popped up and it sold off. So I would be careful with ACHR. Probably for long term, not a bad entry point, but I would wait. This is not a financial advice. This is just my point of view, my look at the charts. Don't follow me for financial advice. I've got different investment strategy. I've got different trading strategy as well. HOVR, Horizon Aircraft, this was a test book parallel channel, peaking at 1430, and then we had a downtrend. This was on the back of macro, obviously. That was the government shutdown, Thursday the 16th, where the markets crashed. S&P crashed almost 2% or over 2%. And since we have been going down, now we seem to be forming this little short-term uptrend. With Horizon Aircraft, again, I would probably wait a couple of days. Those who bought on the way down, good, but I wouldn't be buying on the way up now. I would probably wait because again, we can have some macro headwinds. With EHang, need to refresh it again. Oh, that's brilliant. Let me just do this. I'm doing this like if it was live. Don't worry. So with EHang, we had this little uptrend, touched it once, this trend line. We broke through the trend line once, twice, and then now we are completely in a new trend. But it looks like EHang is going to go down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times we touched it. Now we had a little break up, little breakthrough, but I think EHang will be going sideways as well. I'll be following this resistance, this support at $16.70, and again, same with EHang. I would probably hang fire, not buying in yet. There could be much better entry points. So that's it from me. Hopefully I helped you. Again, if you have any questions, fire them away under the video in the comments. I'll be picking them up, going through them. I'll be answering them next week. Don't forget, vertical aerospace, increased ground activity, potentially flight end of next week. ACHR Aviation, their flight is nowhere near. I don't think they'll be flying before the earnings call, and I doubt they will have their new aircraft out before the Dubai Air Show. So that's it. I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for understanding my time availability. There's no newsletter either, so hopefully I will catch up with you with all the news next week. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other.